ice. If you drown, then you are cold. If you try hard, you're a creep. If you don't, then you're a slob. And you'll never get to heaven if you don't have a low-paid job.
Life's a fucking paradox. It takes you to the cleaners every time.
If you don't fight, you're a coward. If you do, then you're a thug. If you don't trust, you're a cynic. If you do, then you're a mug. If you have faith, you've been brainwashed. If not, then you are lost. Right now we live for pleasure. How soon we pay the cost.
Life's a fucking paradox. It takes you to the cleaners every time.
When you're a child, you are told you can be what you want to be. But the world has expectations, so you think that you are free. And it puts you on its treadmill, it turns you to a slave. When it's over, you are lucky if your children tend your grave.
Life's a fucking paradox. It takes you to the cleaners every time. Well, how long have we got left on good old Mother Earth? How long, people? Sometimes I ask myself that question. We're melting out smoke, poisoning the air we breathe, and sucking up the water supply. And all for what? I ask you, brothers and sisters. So